Hello my fellow makers! Today I'll show you how to make Royal PomTassel style number 3. Gather all your materials. You will need 2 types of yarn in fingering weight in 2 colors, 2 large wooden beads with large opening, glass beads, double pointed needles, scissors, tapestry needles, and a greeting card that is cut in 2 1/4 of an inch. Next, cut 2 strings about 18 inches long and set them aside. Take your main yarn and a tassel template and start layering yarn along one of the sides with a curve fold on the top. Try to be neat and organized the way you layer your yarn, and be careful with your tension. It shouldn't be too tight or too loose. Keep layering the yarn until your soon-to-be tassel is about 3/4 in width and about 3/4 of an inch in thickness. Cut the yarn. Take one of the strings that we cut prior to beginning to work on a tassel and slide it in between the layer of the yarn and a card with a fold at the top. Tie a knot at the top as tight as you can without breaking the yarn. Then slide it again and secure another knot. Take scissors and slide them inside the card fold on the opposite side from the knot. And cut the layers. Place the second string in front of you and arrange soon-to-be tassel on top of it, so that the part with the knot is about 3/4 of an inch below the string. Wrap the string around the tassel and tie a knot. Repeat the same step. Then drop one of the ends so it becomes part of the tassel. Then wrap tight the second end of the string around the tassel's head several times. Slide tapestry needle under the wrap. Thread the end of the string into the needle and pull it through. Turn the finished tassel upside down, squeezing the skirt of the tassel between your fingers, and start trimming it with your scissors. Adjust the skirt and trim it again. Make a second tassel in the same manner we did before, and now we have to arrange them together, building them bottom up. Thread 2 tails of the tassel B into a tapestry needle. Open a skirt of a tassel A and find the middle of it. Then thread the needle into a tassel A and pull through. Now you have 4 tails on the top of a tassel A. To secure this double unit of tassels, tie 2 sets of tails in a double knot. The goal is to have as few extra tails as possible without compromising the security of all elements arranged together. So to get rid of a second set of tails, thread the tails of tassel B into the tapestry needle and thread it back down, hiding it inside the skirt of a tassel A. Repeat previous steps and make 2 more tassel units, so you would have 3 sets in total. Take 2 wooden beads and wrap it with a yarn bee threaded into a tapestry needle in one neat and even layer by threading it through the opening in the bead. Leave 6-inch tail on each end. To make I-cord, take 2 double-pointed needles and leaving 6 inches long tail, cast on 3 stitches with a yarn bee. Knit 3 stitches, then without turning work on the wrong side, slide those stitches to the opposite end and knit them again. Continue working those 3 stitches in the same manner without ever turning work on the wrong side until your I-cord is about 7 inches long. Now you have all the elements to make a Royal PomTassel style number 3. Decorate your PomTassel units with beads and then tie a knot between all of them together and then thread them through one of the wooden beads. Secure them together, hiding all the extra ends, just like it showed on the video. Next, we're securing tails by tying ends together and hiding them inside the opening of the wooden bead. The opening becoming smaller, so I'm using pliers to pull the needle through. As a final touch, we will attach our I-cord on top of our PomTassel unit. Take tails of I-cord, tie them together, and thread them through the opening of the top of the wooden bead. So now we have to anchor them to the rest of the PomTassel unit, and just watch video closely to see what we've done. So the whole point is to make it very secure and finish it very nicely without extra ends showing. Our Royal PomTassel style number 3 is complete. Enjoy it and share your projects with us.